Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to NIUS Homeschool. I'm Farhana Yasmin, assistant teacher of morning shift. Now I'm going to take English first paper class for class 7. Our today's topic is Unit 2, Lesson 1 and Lesson 2. This is lecture number 3 and homework number 3 will be given today. So dear students, let's look at the book. At first, page 12. In this unit, we will see how to look up words in a dictionary. You can see this is the dictionary page given. This is from the Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary. The page that starts with the letter B, this is given, and you can see how the words are given here. At first it starts with the letter B and then alphabetically it goes on like B-A, then B-double-A, then B-A-double-B-L-E. You can see that the words are going alphabetically. After that we have the word baby, babble, etc. Let's look at the next page. We will read a text here in page 13. So the teacher is discussing how to look up words in a dictionary with the students. The teacher asked the class, have you noticed that the words in bold are written one after another? Okay, do you find any rule or system or order in arranging these words? So the teacher is asking the students if they have noticed any system in arranging the words. Yes teacher, the page starts with a single letter B and slowly words come below this letter, Rupa said. So slowly words are coming below in alphabetical order. Thank you Rupa, you've got it. Let me write B and some of the words from this page on the board. Then I'll show you how they are written one after another like in the alphabet. Look at the board and ask me if it is clear or not, okay? So in E, some words are given here. Let's arrange this alphabetically. The words bait, bat, bag, book, bait and bash are given here. So can you guess which word will come first? After B, A will come first alphabetically. So bat, bag, bait or batch. Any one from these four words should be the one. Okay, let's see which one comes alphabetically first. B-A-G. G comes before T-I or C. So the word bag should come first alphabetically. Bag first. Then we should have the word bait. Then we should have the word bat. And then we should have the word batch. And then we will have bet as E comes before O. So we will have bet as the next word and book will be the last word alphabetically. So what can we look up from a dictionary? Let's see. What information can we find in the dictionary? Meaning of a word or definitions, then spelling, then example of use or example sentences, grammatical information like passive speech, irregular verbs, plurals, countable or uncountable nouns. We can find all this grammatical information of a word in a dictionary. Then formal or informal. We can also see formal or informal uses of a word in the dictionary. Then abbreviations. Abbreviation means short forms of a word. Let's move on to lesson 2. Find your chapter. Let's read Rupa. So Anando, we had a helpful class on dictionary, didn't we? Anando, oh yes, very helpful. This is why I like Mrs. Borua's class. She is one of my favorite teachers. So in this picture you can see Rupa and Anando discussing. Let's go to the next page. Page 14. Rupa, she is. I also like her very much and she is very organized. She knows how to make us work in groups and pairs. So we are never bored. So Mrs. Borua's class is very interesting and the students like her. Anando, by the way, I have another problem. Do you understand the table of contents at the beginning of a book? Rupa, Yes, I've learned it from my elder sister. I can try to explain it to you if you like. Anando, so nice of you, I really need it. So now they are discussing about table of contents. Let's look at the content page of a book here, is given here. You can see the heading is table of contents. Then introduction and American time capsule, this is the name of a chapter, and 6 is the page number. Then hearth and home. This is another essay in this book and this is on page 15. Essay by Robert Olen Butler. This means this essay is written by Robert Olen Butler. This is the writer's name. Hard at Work. Essay by Charles Johnson. This is at page 37. America at Play. Essay by Sean T. Kelly at page 57. Reason to Believe. Essay by Roger Rosenblatt. Page number 83. Our Town. Essay by Naomi Shihab Nye. Page 101. Sea to Shining Sea. Essay by Barbara Kingston on page number 117. Okay. So let's look at the questions. How many subjects or topics do you see here? We can see 6 chapters, right? 6 topics. What do the numbers on the right hand side mean? The right hand side numbers are page numbers. Who do you think the people whose names are written after the subjects or topics are? Those people are the writers of those topics or articles or book chapters. What is each topic subject called? They are called the chapters, right? Now look at D. This is an exercise of fill in the gaps. This fill in the gaps will be your homework for next class, okay? Words are given in the box and you have blanks here. So please pick up this, write this down on your homework copy and fill in the blanks, okay? So your homework number 3 is page 15, exercise D. Page 15, exercise D. Okay, dear students, please do the homework carefully and submit it on next Saturday on due time. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.